welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be working on the front clip, and I'm hoping that by the end of this video we'll have the entire chunk of front suspension off of this bad boy. Not sure if we'll be able to accomplish that in a single day, but we're going to give it a go. See if we can make it happen. I'm not totally positive, but I'm pretty sure I've marked out all of the spot welds on this front clip now. So, time to move on to drilling out spot welds. Alrighty, I've got most of the spot welds taken out, starting from the bottom and up around the inside of the wheel well. I also have the inside of the frame rail taken care of. I'm gonna end up taking this elbow off after we pull these two frame rails off the car because it'll be easier to kind of wang jangle it, pull it off. So the next few things for me to start working on are this brace, this chunk right here, and this brace. Those three pieces all need to come completely off before we can take off the shock towers and the frame rails. Come on, Jerry. There we go. Got one brace off. But I know they're in here. They're in like a triangle or some shit. I'm gonna use the electric belt sander, the like inch belt sander we have for these three spot welds because they're a bit bigger than the drill that we use. But I have most of the other spot welds marked out. There's one in here that I think I don't have. There might be two, but I'm gonna drill these guys first, and then we'll find the other ones in here. Gee. Not my finest work here. Looks like Swiss cheese, bro. Yeah, I really messed that piece up. Those two were not spot welds. That was a spot weld. Those both looked like spot welds, man. gonna be honest, the camera stopped filming. Piece came off. Looks pretty good in there. Happy this piece is off. Took a while. It is almost completely nighttime now. Been drilling spot welds since like 10 this morning. This is about where we're at. So now that the fender brace is off here, this sort of box piece and this brace going from the strut tower to the firewall are also off. All that's left holding on this side of the frame rail strut tower section are these spot welds right here and the spot welds that go right here. After those guys are out, this whole side of the front clip will be ready to come off. All that I'll have to do tomorrow is finish up this side, which pretty much consists of the braces I just got off and the spot welds that I'm gonna get now.
The rust doesn't look too terrible.
It doesn't look too terrible now that I'm looking at it, but also...
Yeah, we're not done.
Yeah. I don't want to say anything about it yet either.
Right, and tempt fate. Alright, I'll take this inside.
Thank you very much. These last couple of spot welds have not been going so good. Alrighty, I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna call it for the night. I have the driver's side of the front clip completely unhooked. I think. I'm like 95% sure that everything's off. There might be a couple of things that get stuck, but I'm pretty sure that we're ready to pull this half off. In the morning, I'm gonna start working on the other side, and hopefully by the end of the video, like I said, we'll have this bad boy completely off of the front clip. I totally forgot to mark out these spot welds here yesterday, so I'm gonna start today off by marking those guys out. I feel really excited about doing spot welds all day. Be sick. Let's not totally goof this one like we did yesterday. Another brace. Now we just got to get the box off. This is usually the more difficult of the three braces. But luckily, this is the last one that we need to take off. So that's nice. Got the box off. I think the next thing I need to do is flip this whole front clip back down on the ground, and then after these few pieces come out, we'll be able to take it off. I should also disconnect the jig right about now. Front clip's off. Alrighty. There she be. Kind of tripping out. I'm really glad I got this thing off. Man, I'm so tired of doing spot welds. There's a lot of them, man. I'm very happy to be done for the time being. Give it like a week. I'm sorry this video took a couple extra days to make. I really have been trying to do like daily or every other day uploads, but doing this work took like 3 days to get this clip all the way off, and I didn't want to release another 2 videos of just removing spot welds, so I decided to just get the front suspension off and wait to release a video until then. So hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I feel like I'm a little, yeah, I'm digesting that the front clip is off. I'm processing. I'm stoked. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for all the comments in the last video. Those were all super helpful, and I think I have a better plan now of how I want to deal with the rust. I think I'm gonna go through and take all the seam sealer off and brush and treat the rust as best as I can. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna leave the front clip altogether, like most of you guys suggested. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys for watching. Have a good rest of your day, and see you soon. Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. Do that too. It helps. Thanks.